Guys, Brian back with a Fetch.ai token update here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick price update on this thing and show you this. It's playing out beautiful. It's playing out just like we predicted in the last video. So things are looking great for this thing. Let's look at these technicals down here from TradingView. This is on the 1 day. It has a buy for Fetch.ai. On the moving averages, it is a strong buy, and on the oscillators, it is a buy. So this thing still looks super strong, and we're going to get into this chart, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like is coming up next, and we'll dig into it there. But first off, I want to show you that's the crypto bubbles. That's for the hourly. A lot of stuff turning green. An hour ago, all of these were red. So on the hour, things are really turning around. This is for the day. So the daily, we got tons of green, and the hourly, we got tons of green. Things are really looking good. So Casper and RPL. Oh, that rocket poll. See, I don't know a lot about either of these two. I'm gonna have to look into them though. I'm kind of old school with my crypto. I've been here about almost 5 years, and I don't look into a lot of the newer stuff. Now, to Fetch, of course, the AI, Singularity, you know, them things really grabbed my attention as soon as they came out. Fetch is a fantastic opportunity there. So here's your Crypto Fear and Greed Index. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, guys. I would appreciate that. Do a giveaway at the end of every month. Gave away 100 Cardano last month. We're going to do a giveaway the last day of this month, and all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber. And there's also a link in the video. I do a lot of trading on KuCoin. If you're interested, you can use the link and you get 20% off of your trading fees. So it's a nice little bonus. But the market cap's up 1.3%. Volume is down 12.1%. Bitcoin dominance is still dropping. That's great. And the Crypto Fear and Greed indicator is at a 68. And if you're not familiar about the Bitcoin dominance, the more this drops, the more the altcoins take more of the market cap. So the more their prices are going up. And I'm always rooting for Bitcoin, but I like to see that Bitcoin dominance heading down. Here's your top 100 on CoinMarketCap. And that list on the right is getting smaller and smaller. I've just made a couple videos, and it was definitely pretty long, and it's shortening up now. Yeah, big time. I mean, a lot of them 4-hour RSIs out there have reset, and looks like things are starting to make another run here. So let's get to Fetch here, and I want to show you guys. Let's put it on our let's put our lines and charts on here. Okay, here we go. We obviously, let's recap here just very quickly. We had our falling wedge. This kind of almost it broke out, but then it kind of collapsed back down here. Okay, we finally would have hit our target for this thing, but I think that falling wedge was kind of invalidated once it failed to break out. All right, once it started this wave down, we marked this ABC on here. It came down and hit that price target for that ABC right here, and now we have started a 5 waves back up. Okay, this is on the 4-hour. Just give you a quick recap in case you didn't see the other day's video. But this is our 3rd wave up, our 4th wave pullback. I kind of expected this to come deeper, but looks like it might be over, you know, and I would expect a 5th wave up here. All right, so these always go in 5 waves. Your 3rd wave is always your longest and impulsive wave. Your 4th is usually your biggest pullback wave. All right, so if we look at the RSIs, all right, let me get this off here real quick. I want to like it nice and clean for you guys to be looking at it, but let's look at these RSIs on the bottom and see if they're giving us a clue if we're on our way up. The 4-hour just turned up. Let's look at the 8 and the 12. The 8 is at the top. Okay, it could cool off a little. The 12 is at the top, and the daily is getting it's up there, but this thing could definitely have another push in it, especially with that 4-hour. And then after that 5 waves, I would expect some kind of ABC correction up there. That is just totally normal. But let's put a Fibonacci on this thing and see where we're at as far as a fib level. Okay, I live by these Fibonacci's. I think every trader out there does. Let's look here and see where we're at. We are right up at that. Oops, I'm sorry. I like to get these as perfect as I can. Okay, because these levels are super important. You can see we're right up at that 618 area. That's 702. We did poke up there. We did poke up there and get to it. Okay, we want to definitely bust through that, and I think that fifth wave is going to bring us up here through that 702. Well, it definitely will. It'll take out this level here. Okay, that's on the daily. Let's put it on the 4 hours so I can see that pullback. Yeah, it would take that out, and your 786 is up here. You know, it could come up and hit that 786 and then do an ABC. I don't know. Not financial advice. Just trying to get some ideas out there. Nobody really knows. But the next major resistance level. Okay, let's move. First off, let's move this one up here. Okay, obviously that was resistance that we got stopped at right there. So you want to see that breakthrough at 42.5 cents. All right. That would validate that we are doing our fifth wave up there. Okay, that would give us validation, and taking out that high there, trying to get that right on there. Yeah, 0.42, call it 0.427. All right, then we're getting our fifth wave. What could be a stopping point for that thing? Well, if we look to the left and look for major resistance levels, obviously we have one right up here. That's a major one. Okay, so this thing could end up looking, you know, let's see here, that would be your 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, you know, and our 5. Maybe we'll hit that major resistance right up there at 45 cents, and then start our ABC correction. We'll have to keep an eye on it and look, because them RSIs on the top, you know, the higher time frames are getting overextended, but the 4 hour is reset. So, you know, within the next 12 hours, we could have a run up here, get our fifth wave, and then start our ABC correction down. And then we would start another 5 waves up. That's how these things work out in an uptrend. But you always have to have pullbacks. That's just part of the market. I hate telling people that, but it's just the way they have to. You need support areas to build up, you know, as you're moving up in price, because the old saying is, things that go straight up come straight back down. So, alright guys, thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope you have a fantastic day. Please hit that subscribe button, and God bless all of you.